welcome back to the Finbuzz channel. This is your friend Shamil Sujat. Today we are going to talk about the different types of equity funds. Equity funds can be technically described as those funds which invest 65% or more of their money in equity or equity related instruments like convertible debentures. Equity funds are those funds which primarily try to beat the return on debt instruments, yet keep the risk associated with such investments at minimal level by diversifying their operations. Still, there are different types of equity funds based on the characteristics, and we will look at each of them one by one. The first type of equity fund is diversified equity fund. The stock market, the companies in the stock market can be classified into different sectors based on their area of operation. And we can normally find 20 to 22 sectors in the stock market based on the criteria of classification. Diversified equity funds are those funds which try to spread their investment into all these sectors, and also companies of different sizes like large cap companies, mid cap companies and small cap companies. Diversified equity funds try to keep the risk associated with equity investments at minimal level and also give a return that can compensate for the risk where the investor would have made that particular investment in a debt fund. The best performing schemes in the space of diversified equity funds are Parag Parikh Long Term Equity Fund, BNP Paribas Multi Cap Fund, Mirae Asset India Equity Fund, Kotak Standard Multi Cap Fund, Canara Robeco Equity Diversified Fund. The second type of equity funds are sector funds. Sector funds are those funds which focus their investment in certain sectors. They don't diversify their investments across sectors but focus on particular sectors. These sectors will be mentioned in the scheme information document. As these funds invest in only specified sectors, the risk associated with such funds are on a higher scale, but the possibility of returns are also higher as the fund manager can choose his sectors based on his assessment, like which sectors are going to do well in the coming months or years. Examples of such funds are pharmaceutical sector funds, which invest only in those companies which are engaged in pharmaceutical activities, auto industry sector fund, which will be focusing on only those companies which are from the auto industry, gold sector funds, which focus on only those companies which are engaged in mining and processing of gold, etc. The best performing sector funds in India are Aditya Birla Sun Life Banking and Financial Services Fund, SBI Magnum Coma Fund, that is a commodity sector fund, Franklin Built India Fund, DSP BlackRock Natural Resources and New Energy Fund, Kotak Infrastructure and Economic Reform Fund. The third type of equity funds are thematic funds. Thematic funds are those funds which will invest in the market based on a theme, which will be mentioned in the scheme information document. Like if a theme like consumer spending, rising purchasing power will include those sectors which will benefit from rising purchasing power and consumer spending like fast moving consumer goods, durables, entertainment, etc. Themes can be of various types like green energy, Sharia funds. In a green energy fund, the theme will be focusing on those companies which have a very high standard of environment protection and pollution control. In Sharia funds, the fund will try and invest in those companies which are according to the principles and screening norms of Sharia and will be suited for those people who are looking for such kind of investment opportunities. In short, thematic fund will take up a theme and make investments according to the theme. The best performing thematic funds are Canara Robeco Consumer Trends Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life India Gen Next Fund, Tata Ethical Fund, SBI Magnum Equity ESG Fund, Mirae Asset Grade Consumer Fund. The fourth type of equity funds are equity linked savings schemes. Equity linked savings schemes are those mutual fund schemes which give tax benefit to the investors on top of the returns on investment. Equity linked savings schemes are eligible for tax exemption under the Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. The maximum limit up to which a person can avail income tax exemption is 1,50,000 rupees, and there is a condition that he should stay invested for at least 3 years. That is, he should not be selling his shares for a minimum period of 3 years once he has invested in equity linked savings schemes. The best performing equity linked savings schemes are Motilal Oswal Long Term Equity Fund, Axis Long Term Equity Fund, DSP Tax Saver, Aditya Birla Sun Life Tax Relief 96 Fund, Mirai Asset Tax Saver Fund. The fifth type of equity mutual funds is dividend yield schemes. Dividend yield schemes are those schemes which focus on generating considerable dividend yield for their investors. So these funds invest in the shares of those companies which have a very long track record and are large companies which pay out a very good portion of their earnings as dividends to the shareholders. The highest earning dividend yield schemes in India are India Bulls Blue Chip Fund, SL Large Cap Equity Fund, SBI Blue Chip Fund, DSP BlackRock Mid Cap Fund, ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. The sixth type of equity mutual funds are arbitrage funds. Arbitrage is a function of taking advantage of market imperfections. For example, if there is a difference in the price of a particular share in two stock exchanges, say the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange, an arbitrager would buy that particular stock from the exchange which is quoting a lower price and sell it on the exchange which is quoting a higher price. Similarly, if there is a considerable difference between the price of a particular share in the cash market and in the futures market, an arbitrager will try to exploit this particular opportunity. So arbitrage funds are basically those funds which look for arbitrage opportunities in the market and try to profit from such arbitrage opportunities. The best performing arbitrage funds are Aditya Birla Sun Life Arbitrage Fund, Edelweiss Arbitrage Fund, BNP Paribas Arbitrage Fund, Kotak Equity Arbitrage Fund, Larsen & Toubro Arbitrage Opportunities Fund. I have extensively gone through the performance of mutual fund schemes in its respective category, and I have already shown you the 5 best performing schemes in each category. You can find the link to these schemes in the description box below so that you can have a better look and understand which kind of schemes are suitable for you and you can benefit from the information provided there. Thank you for spending your time. We will meet again with the next video. For now, it's bye from me. See you again.